Hey everyone, it's me, Alegra. Today I want to share with you 5 daily habits that will help you to stay inspired and keep your motivation high. First, it's super important to make time for self-reflection. Take a few moments each day to check in with yourself and assess your goals and progress. This will help you to stay focused and motivated on what truly matters to you. I love to take time to journal and write things down, and it has made such a huge difference in my life. Second, surround yourself with positive influences. Whether it's reading inspirational books or connecting with like-minded individuals, whether in real life or online, surrounding yourself with positivity will uplift and motivate you. Third, you want to set small, achievable goals. Breaking your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated to reach your ultimate objectives. And fourth, take care of your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nourishing foods, and exercise regularly. Taking care of your body and mind will provide you with the energy and clarity needed to stay motivated and confident. Finally, practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the things you have and the progress you've made. This will help you to maintain a positive mindset and to continue to push you forward towards your goals. So there you have it. 5 daily habits to keep your motivation high and to help you stay inspired. Start implementing these habits today and watch your motivation and confidence soar.